Happy birthday to you. Hi guys! So, ayan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, as you can see, meron naman tayong hawak cake. So, ayun, kanino kayong birthday ngayon? So, alamin natin at surpresahin natin siya. So, tara, samahan nyo kami at abangan nyo ang mga susunod na kaganapan sa video na to. Sama ko nga pala si Mama, kasabot ko siya. Ayan. All the way from Abu Dhabi. So, what are you waiting for? Tara na! Ayan guys, we lighted up the candle. And let's call Uncle Bernie para surprise him na. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make a wish! 12 na dito!
Aki.
Oh! Blow! Kayo tunaw na! Yay!
Na, nawala na.
Shutdown.
Shutdown.
So, there you have it guys. Na-surprise naman natin si Uncle Bernie ng cake. All the way from Zamboanga. Napunta siya sa Abu Dhabi. I mean, like, kami pa din naman kakain. Pero in fairness naman kasi, like, when you surprise people, especially pag galing siya sa harsher. So, ayun. Time check, it's already 12 dito sa 12:50 na actually dito sa Philippines. So, currently, sa Abu Dhabi is nasa 8 pa lang, no? 8. Tama ba? Oh, almost 9 na. So, mag-almost 9 na. So, we want to hear from Uncle Bernie kung ano naman ang masasabi niya, ano naman ang pahayag niya sa ating ginawang surprise.
Happy 44th birthday to me. Ayan po. Salamat sa pa-surprise birthday. Hindi lang dito sa Abu Dhabi and sa Zamboanga din.
Ito na. Happy birthday, Bernie. Malapit na siya magdating. Happy birthday, Bernie. 44 years old na. Matanda na. Malapit na yan. Magdating na yan. Kay 11 na. 12. Malapit na. Happy birthday, Bernie. Happy birthday, Bernie. Happy birthday. Taki pa o birthday gift. Isang chicharon. Isang chicharon. Huwag na ang ibang regalo at ang cake. Make a wish, make a wish. 12 o'clock, make a wish. Happy birthday. no, what?
No camel gift?
Camel or laham only? Don't, no camel, laham only.
Camel is for special people.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bernie. Wish you all the good health, good life. Happy birthday, Bern. Always stay strong and healthy. Pataba ka, ha?
Thank you.
Richard.
Thank you.
Uncle,
Happy birthday, Uncle Bernie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sa lechon.
Baby.
Birthday ko.
Birthday ka.
Rich Bernal.
Bye-bye.
Okay, with our food. We are now going to eat. Enjoy kami. Let's
This is
eat.
dinuguan.
Dinuguan. Doon
This is
Lechon belly.
chicken belly, pork ulo, spaghetti,
Bake. Bake. Dalawang klase ang spag. Bake at saka yung
bake, and
Bake.
Pasta.
And then the leche plan. Leche plan.
leche plan,
Of course.
sauce, the cake,
And
hindi ko yan, and Alfonso Uno.
Okay.
Surprise na sa akin. Salamat kay Crisel, Angelo, and Faith sa effort na binigay nyo para mag-greet lang ako ng happy birthday. Thank you, and God bless also. Salamat din sa naka-alala ng birthday ko at nag-greet sa akin, which is mama ko, Mama Pilar, and daughter ko, si Kiki, and some of my classmates before. Nag-greet din sa akin, naalala nila. Salamat sa effort nyo.
Hi guys, so ayun, kasalukuyan nandito tayo sa Torch Pizza. So ayun, dito yung matatagpuan sa, hindi ko din alam guys. Tawagin natin si Kuya. Saan?
Santa Maria Extension.
Sa Santa Maria Extension. So sa mga gustong bumili at kumain ng
Ano
afford,
lang. Santa Maria, ano ba?
basta yung kabila niya, yung harap niya is Caltex, hanapin nyo na lang yan. So anyways, kung gusto nyo ng affordable at masarap na pizza, sigurado at aprobado, ito, puntahan nyo to. Mukha ba ang pizza? So anyways, kaya tayo may pakain kasi birthday nga ni Uncle Bernie ngayon. So ayun, thank you sa sponsor. Tayo mapapala muna naman. So see you sa bahay. Nandito na nga ako sa bahay. So si Kuya lumabas siya ulit dahil magbili siya ng ice cream. Pero ayun, as you can see, the pizza. Makikita nyo yan ulit sa Santa Maria. Kalimutan ko tawag doon. Basta in front siya ng Caltex doon sa gas station. At ayun, what are you waiting for? I'm so hungry. We're so starving because it's pizza. And yeah, let's eat. And once again, happy birthday to Uncle Bernie. And yeah, I'll meet you later. So, ayan guys, update. Nandito na nga sila Kuya. At ayan! Let's sing a happy birthday to the celebrant. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What can you say about this? Sure.
Happy birthday and sa greetings. Enjoy sa pagkain ninyo.
Thank you din, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mampapala mo na naman tayo, wala sa oras dito, guys. Okay, Josh, dito sa'yo.
Marry me. Si Josh. Nagganon na.
Dear Lord, thank you for this wonderful food and bless us, oh Lord, and bless Uncle Bernie because it's his birthday today. Hope you have a wonderful day. Amen.
Happy birthday to you! Ayan, all the way to Abu Dhabi.
All the way from Josh.
So let's eat! Dali. Dali na.
Josh, ko hindi ka po pala eh.
Siya, Josh!
Time slaps. No.
Tato.
Ba't ako takalawit na?
Ito, ginawa ko.
Lawak yan.
Uminom daw siya. Tenjo.
Na. Time lapse Josh.
Tanguya.
Good morning, everyone. Please get off the bus through the front door and leave all the unnecessary items at the end.